Hello, fellow dividend investors. It's that dividend guy coming at you with another dividend investing video. Hopefully, everybody had a GGD, a great green day in the market. Always wish the best for my subscribers and my viewers. So, let's take a look, see how the portfolio is doing. Looks like we got some recovery today, which is great. Always love green days. Wow. We're up over 20K now, which is phenomenal. But we still have some unrealized gains, or we're still. I'll show you. So it's just crazy to me. So officially, I have a house, technically, right? Like I could have put like a down payment of like 10K down a while back, and gotten like a $90,000 house. So I'd put a little bit more than 10% down. But that house sold, so I didn't get it. But it's just crazy to me that I have 20K. It's just insane. That just shows what determination can do for you. And the thing is, guys, I haven't put in $1,000 in the market every month. I went for a time where I didn't have a job. I couldn't find one. So it's just cool that I'm back and back into it, being very consistent. So let's take a look at the portfolio. So for today, we did pretty well. We're up over $300 today. For the week, we're up $600, which is great. For the month, we're up $758. And then 3-month mark, this is about when the virus started, in between here and the 1-month mark. And we're actually up $950, so we're up almost 5% there on the 3-month market now. For the year, we're up $1,200, a lot of green. And then all-time, we are up 4.5. But here is what really gets me excited. Check this out. So we went all the way down to 16K, but look at our peak. We're above $22,000. So we have $2,000 here of unrealized gains because we have stocks that we're down big on, like ExxonMobil is one of them. And what's the other? Well, ExxonMobil's the big one. So that one's down over $1,000. So that will boost us up to at least 21. So let's take a look at the individual stocks. So we have Realty Income, one of my personal favorites. 15 shares. A Dividend Aristocrat, up $5 today, up $157 total, or up 23% on Realty Income. Then Altria, a Dividend King, still cost down average opportunity here, up 87 today, down 602. So that's part of why we're down so far, is because this has fallen since the virus outbreak. Next, another king, Coca-Cola. We got 20 shares. Another buying cost down average opportunity, just like Altria here. Up $15 today, down 80 total, almost 90, down 8.5%. FRT, only one share, up 31 cents today, down $29 or 26% on FRT. Definitely going to be buying some more of that. Then we have PepsiCo, one share, up $1 today, down 73 cents, down 0.5%. Disney, we have 2 shares, up $3, up $33 total. Looks like they shot back up. I have not seen any news on whether or not they are going to reinstate the dividend. I have read that they are opening up theme parks again, reopening, ready to get back to some magic. So that's awesome. So Disney CEO says that the world's ready to get back to the Disney magic. So Disney's opening theme parks, which is great. It's 33% of their revenue. So that is a good reason for the stock to be up as far as it is. Obviously today, or actually that was this week. Yep, it jumped from 118. Now it's all the way up to 122. So $4. Not huge, but it's still a good gain for Disney. Then Lowe's, a Dividend King. We have 2 shares. Up $8 today, up 54 total, up 26% on those 2 shares. So, wow, yeah, that really peaked today. That's insane. I haven't really been watching Lowe's, but look at that. It was down past like $69, and now it's double what it was. Almost double what it was even 3 months ago. So that's crazy. So we're up big on Lowe's. AT&T, we passed our average cost today. Man, oh man, that sucks. Look at this. We've been having a really great time with it. It was at $38 in March. Then it dropped down to 25, around $25 a share. And it was below our average cost. Now it's above, which it doesn't matter. I'm still able to dividend reinvest until $32.50, I think. Something like that. But I can still dividend reinvest, so it's not a big deal. But I am up about 3% on AT&T. Then AbbVie, so this is what I mean by being able to still invest. I will use AbbVie's dividends to buy some AT&T regardless. If it can't reinvest in itself, I will use AbbVie's dividends because I'm very far away from doing that with AbbVie. So we have 60 shares of AbbVie, down $39 today, up over 1,000. So AbbVie pays me $70 a month, which is more than enough to buy a share of AT&T. So I can actually buy 2 shares of AT&T guaranteed with that AbbVie dividend, with the AT&T dividend added. Next, SPG, 3 shares, up $13 today, up 34 total, up 22%. They pay a really nice dividend, so I added them to the portfolio. Next, American Express, my favorite of the credit card stocks, up to 101, so we're up past our average cost there as well, up $22 today, up 12 total. SKT, this one hasn't moved yet. It's still dumpster diving. Price-wise, 27 shares, up $7 today, down $100 or 35%. Hopefully they reinstate the dividend before they pay it again in, I believe, August. They were an aristocrat before they cut their dividend, though. J&J, Dividend King, we have 2 shares, down 48 cents today, up 17 total. They're going to be paying me a dividend this month, which is great, or this upcoming month. It's still May, so I keep saying it's June because it's so close to the end. It's like 27th of May, so I do apologize for that. I said that in the past couple videos as well. Just once it gets close to the end of the month, stocks for the next month announce their dividend, so it throws me off. But we're up on J&J. Then 3M, another Dividend King, up $13 today, up 23 total. So destroying my average cost. I'm not going to be buying it for a while. That's the problem with a lot of these Dividend Kings is you have to kind of wait for the market to be volatile, to have something like the virus outbreak in order for these very good, tried and true blue chip companies to drop like that. And when they do, you really have to take advantage. So I kind of missed the boat with these two. I will buy them at pretty much any price anyway. I'm a huge fan of both of them. But I wish I would have bought some. I know I bought Exxon and Wells Fargo, which I'm happy I did it because I did that because I had such upside on those. But I still want to buy some more Kings. So up on 3M, Target's a King as well. 10 shares, up almost $23 on that, almost 2% today. Up almost $300 on Target, or 33%. Then ExxonMobil, a dividend aristocrat. I bought more this last month, and I increased my share count. So I'm going to get 48.72. So I can buy it as long as it stays below 48. Next, we have Wells Fargo, which they will cover the difference of price in Exxon. So I'll be buying a share of Exxon for free next month with interest on my money. Wells Fargo will be paying me around $20 because it's only 39 shares. So it would be $20 with the other 3 shares added that I added last week. So Wells Fargo, we are up 77 today, up 107 total. So we have a $25 cost average right now, and 28 is the price, so it's gone up. Dominion, 2 shares at $80, really close to our cost there. $1 up today, about 0.9%. Total, we're up $2 or 1.3%. Then Walgreens, the last stock in our portfolio, we have 1 share, up 80 cents today, down $11 total. Still great cost on average opportunity there. Then we have our chosen stock for this next month being Leggett & Platt. Definitely going to be buying them at anything lower than $40. Kimberly-Clark, I'd buy them anywhere under $140. Illinois Toolworks, I'll buy them at $180. JP Morgan Chase, ooh, yeah, I really wanted to get them at the low price of like 90, in the 90s to 100. So hopefully they don't peak up too bad, because that's still got like a good $40 upside on that stock. Procter & Gamble, I'm buying it even though it's not a bunch of upside on there. Colgate's the same thing. SX, $248, $90 upside on that. Apple, I added them. I'm a huge Apple fan. Love the Mac. I have a Mac that I paid for. I've had iPods. I'm just a huge fan of the company. And they're a dividend cash cow. They're a cash cow that has a chance for huge dividend growth. They have enough cash on the balance sheet to straight out buy a bunch of businesses and not care. So they definitely have enough free cash flow to increase that dividend. Right now it's kind of laughable. It's at 1%, but they have a lot of money to boost that up. Waste Management, I don't think that's ever going to go anywhere. Trash is universal. I will buy it anywhere lower than 110. Then Mickey D's, buy it anywhere lower than $200. American States Waters at 79, definitely want to buy that here. IBM, I said 120, I'd go up to 130. Home Depot at 250, not touching it. Public Storage, anything lower than 210, but I always say 200, but yeah, if it gets up to like 200 and even 240, I'd buy it. So then I added these just for shits and giggles, just because I was looking at Disney's competitors. Six Flags pays a dividend of 25 cents. I'm not touching Six Flags. I was actually talking to a buddy about, we always go to the Dells, like a yearly trip, and I was talking about switching it up to go to Six Flags, and I'm like, I've never really looked into their stock before, so I did. And I watched a video by the company man on them today as well, so they're just kind of popping up all over the place. But it made me look into the company, and I like it. I just don't like it enough, considering Disney's kind of the premier theme park. And then I looked at SeaWorld as well to see if they paid a dividend, and they don't. So that will be off the watch list tomorrow. But anyways, guys, that will wrap up the video. Hopefully everybody had a green day like I did. Let me know what stocks you guys have bought during the pandemic, you know, what you added to, maybe some stocks that you sold. Maybe you thought some company was going to go bankrupt. Let me know. Feel free to comment down below, critique my portfolio, chat me up, you know. I'm an open book, and I'm always happy to talk. So feel free to follow me on Instagram at the same handle as the YouTube channel, that Dividend Guy. Remember to subscribe here on YouTube, and when you do, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any updates. I post Monday through Friday unless I'm sick or some family thing comes up, but I try to keep it pretty consistent. So, or the market's closed, because that's what happened Monday. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow.